Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Instagram, I need you to click the create account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram like this one, you see nothing's happening. It's just loading. It usually indicates a problem with loading your feed, right? If I click on home, search, explore reels, messages, notifications, create profile, anything, nothing's happening. So it's about the couldn't refresh feed, and sometimes it became worse, like the page becomes unresponsive. If you're using the Instagram on the website on Instagram.com, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your internet connection is active and stable, because a weak or poor internet connection can prevent Instagram from refreshing your feed. Ensure you have a stable and active internet, and of course try switching between Wi-Fi and the wired connection if you are using the website, or restarting your router. The next option is, if you are using a VPN or proxy, you might want to disable that for now because it can interfere with the Instagram's connectivity. And again, try to temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and see if the issue is resolved. All right. Now, the next option is, you can simply go to a website called Is It Down Right Now and enter a domain below to check whether it is down or not. And that's going to be Instagram.com. Let's check. Press enter. And you see, you would be able to check if the problem might be on the Instagram's end rather than yours. All right. Now, after that, doing all these, you might want to go to the Instagram app on your mobile device to see how we can do it from there. Now, once you are on your mobile device, make sure you have the Instagram's latest updated version, because outdated Instagram app version can lead to performance issues, bugs, and glitches. Try to open and update if there's an option. The next thing that I need to do is go to your mobile phone's settings. In my case, I'm using an Android, so I need to go to the app management. I'm gonna go to the app list and search for the Instagram. And make sure to the permissions you have all of these enabled, like camera, contacts, microphone, notifications, photos and videos, and a lot more. But of course, calendar is not, related. After that, go to the storage and cache. I need you to clear storage and clear cache, because that could, potentially fix the bugs and glitches happening to your Instagram app. If you click on the user data, you will be logged out, but you just have to log back in. And again, if you're using the mobile data and Wi-Fi, ensure that you have a stable internet connection, because a weak connection can cause problems, especially in refreshing the feed. All right. But of course, if the problem still persists, go to the settings and privacy, hover down below where it says help, report a problem, and from here, let the Instagram support staff know that you are having problems, couldn't refresh feed. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.